Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for this video is going to be a makeup tutorial, and this look is one of my favorite on-the-go makeup look that I have been recreating for several times. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Before I start putting on or piling makeup, isa sa mga pinaka-importanting steps for me while doing makeup is skincare. I am using my In Her Element Rose Petal Toner to tone up the face and also to clean the excess dirt and oil sa face ng aking model. For the lips, I am using my Himalayan lip balm. Lip balm is very important kasi sa climate ng Philippines, very unpredictable and there's a tendency na nagda-dry talaga ang lips natin. And kahit walang makeup, use lip balm. Next product that I am using is my In Her Element Rose Water Mist, one of my holy grail water mist or rose water mist. And I am putting a generous amount on my model's face and dabbing it with my beauty sponge by Real Techniques para ma-absorb ng skin yung mga products or skincare products na nilagay natin. Next, my new favorite or holy grail primer slash moisturizer, the Imbrialist. And I'm putting it with brush muna. And then, next is I have Imbrialist or yung product on my palm and then massage the face para ma-activate or maging active yung mga nerves sa face natin. Massaging your face or using your hand is one of the best application for your skincare talaga. For my foundation, I am using my Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Foundation. Just using little amount of foundation because I just want to achieve that skin-to-skin base. So, hindi ko kailangan ng masyadong bonggang coverage unless dun sa mga kailangan talaga ng coverage such as yung under eye, veins, acne spots, and discoloration sa face. Next, I'm using my beauty sponge to blend and also to absorb excess foundation na nasobrahan ko sa pag-apply. For my concealer, I am using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Stick Foundation. Yes, it is a foundation. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi it gives you coverage but it doesn't give you too much. It just gives you skin, it just gives you a thin layer of coverage na enough to cover acne, discoloration, dark spots, and all. And again, blending it with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. To set the under eye, I am using my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And yung under eye lang, yung isa-set ko since ito talaga yung pinaka nagki-crease sa lahat ng makeup parts or steps ng makeup. To set all my liquids and creams, I am using my Laura Mercier Candle Glow Powder. I really like this one because it doesn't give me the total matte look. It just gives me a little bit of sheer shine or shimmer sa face but hindi siya bothering. And at the same time, it doesn't give me another coverage because sometimes powder may tendency sila nag-add ng coverage sa base mo. So, ito, meron lang siyang sheer color or sheer coverage lang na hindi masyado nag-a-affect when you are creating a skin-to-skin based makeup look. Kumbaga, you are setting your makeup but not totally removing yung glow sa face. For bronzing and contouring, I'm using the Tavion in the shade Palermo. Normal contouring lang ang ginawa ko but this time, I mixed the contouring and the bronzing shade. For the blush, I'm using my favorite Norse Exposed palette and mix different colors from the palette na ang ginawa ko, like peach, pink, medyo bronzy na blush para ma-achieve ko talaga yung natural flush of blush. Nakaka-rhyme, no? Natural flush of blush. For the highlighter, I am using the same highlighter dun sa Norse Exposed palette. I really like this highlighter from Norse Exposed because it doesn't give me the overpowering highlighter na nakakabulag. Talagang nakaka-fish lang. Kaya kahit ipang set mo pa tong highlighter na to, hindi ka magmumukhang nagmamantika. To prime and prepare my lids from putting eyeshadow, I am using my Dior Backstage Eye Primer. And for eyeshadow, I am using the Tevion En Amore palette. For my transition shade, I'll be using two of my favorite shades or colors sa palette na to, which is yung Dolce and Milano. Two matte shades na pinagmimix ko sila, and I will use this as my transition shade. For the shimmer shades, I'll be using the shade Bella, Toscana, and a little bit of Allura and putting it all over the eyelids. So yung concept ko or yung peg ko talaga for this eyeshadow is just hindi masyadong critical so everybody can do this eye look. And also importante when doing your eyeshadow is to properly blend the eyeshadow para walang masyadong harsh lines, walang masyadong patchy areas sa eyeshadow mo. For a little bit of a pop, I'm using the Careland Light Starlight Eyes in the shade Blinks as my eye topper para hindi lang normal eyeshadow yung ginagawa natin o gagawin natin. Meron pa rin konting twist or shimmer sa eyes. For the lower lash line, I just mix the shade Bella, Toscana, and Allura, all shimmer shades. Isa yan sa mga trending ngayong 2021 na instead of putting matte shades or lahat ng nilagay mong colors sa lids mo, you put shimmer shades sa lids. Lashes hack, before you use your eyelash curlers, painitin nyo muna siya using lower or if you wanna risk your life or your lashes, use lighter para uminit muna yung eyelash curler nyo. Katulad ng pagka-curl ng hair. For the liner, I am using the Maybelline Hyperlink, one of the best and affordable liner from the drugstore. And gagawa lang ako ng manipis na wing liner. Then, this is going to be the base ng pagkakabitan ko ng individual lashes because I'm using individual lashes for the first time. So, please, God, help me on putting individual lashes. And hopefully, maganda naman ang kakalabasan. Then next, I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, one of the ultimate favorite mascara. Pin ko din ako magpapalit because number one, mura siya. Number two, it gives the same effect ng ibang mascara. Then, ito na, I am using or putting individual lashes. And by the way, these lashes are from Tony Moly. Matagal na to sa akin and nakita ko lang siya from my drawer. So, why not try it? And luckily, I did it great. I did it right. I'm just putting the individual lashes sa outer corners and i-blend ko yung real lashes sa individual lashes using mascara para hindi naman putol yung lashes ng ating model. To set the brows, I am using the Beauty Soapery Brow Soap in clear and gagawa tayo ng isang laminated bushy brows, which is yung trending ngayon sa makeup industry. For the nose contour or nose line, I am using the Intuit Brow Powder. I know it is a brow powder, pero may shade dito na ginagamit ng ibang makeup artist or us makeup artists as a nose contour kasi napaka-perfect ng shade niya. Next, I am using again the Rose Water Mist by In Her Element and spray a generous amount to my model's face. To add more sheer highlighter, I am using the Dior Skin Nude Shimmer Instant Illuminating Powder in number 1. I really like this one because it also gives me a sheer highlighter. So, hindi ako masyadong hilig sa super blinding Instagrammable highlighter, but I like yung mga highlighter na it gives you the healthy skin, healthy glow, glow skin, bridal look. Yung mga highlighter na pegs ko. And then, aayusin ko na or isa-flatten ko na yung brows. Gagawin ko na siyang mas laminated and mas maayos. Since ang trick ko kasi sa brow soap is, isa-set ko muna yung brows, papatigasin ko muna ng konti yung product, and then after different steps or procedures through the makeup, dun ko siya aayusin. And gagamit ako ng aking favorite brow products at the moment or brow brand, which is yung Strokes Brow Painter or yung brand na Strokes specifically. One of the best na na-try ko ngayon. So, I'm using the Strokes Brow Painter. Nakalimutan ko na yung shade niya pero this is one of our alternative brow product sa K-Palette since K-Palette is like 800 plus and ito is nasa 400 lang. So, half the price and it gives you the same effect and also parang mas na-feel ko pa yung ganda nito compared sa K-Palette. Pero maganda yung K-Palette ha. No doubt naman sa K-Palette. Hindi sa pambabash. Pero you should try Strokes Beauty Lab, guys. In this kind of brow product, you can mimic yung mga hair strands na magagawa mo talaga when doing a bush brow. And next, more spray ng In Her Element Rose Mist. For the lips, I am using the Sunny's Face Fluff Mate in Milkshake. I know I'm not using yung mga wands na ginagamit nila because I'm not a fan of it. But it's okay kasi feeling ko talaga na-absorb niya. But for me kasi, after I use yung mga lip brushes ko, I sanitize them and put it on my UV box. Importante sa akin ng UV box ngayon. I'm not putting a precise application when it comes to the lipstick because I want it to be natural. And for the gloss, I'm using the Strokes Beauty Lab lip oil in the shade Peaches. And guys, that's it for this makeup tutorial and I hope you've learned something and you've enjoyed watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye!